Hey folks, John Ferguson Smart here. Why does Cucumber not support Excel imports? Why can you not write your test data in an Excel spreadsheet and load it into Cucumber and then run your scenarios? Why doesn't Cucumber allow this out of the box, and is there a way to do it? That's a common question that I see. I get people asking that question, students ask it, I see it on LinkedIn, I see it all over the place. And there's a very simple answer. Cucumber does not support that feature, and Cucumber is not intended to support that feature because that goes against the very grain of what Cucumber is trying to do. You see, if you put your test data inside an Excel spreadsheet, you hide it away, you have hundreds of rows of test data, and you want to run them through a Cucumber script. Well, what is that? Then what that means is that your Cucumber scenario is actually a test script. It's merely driving tests for data coming out of a Excel spreadsheet. Now, is that a bad thing? Well, not necessarily. You can drive tests with test data, that's fine. But it's not what Cucumber is intended for. Cucumber is intended to allow you to write executable specifications. And what that means is that you describe business rules with concrete examples that are very visible there. Up front, you can see them, you can compare them, you can talk about them, you can communicate about them, you can look at them and contradict them and say, hey, but what if this? What if this? What if this? What about this case? Have you thought of this? That's why we have tables in Cucumber. It's not to drive test cases. It's to provoke conversation. And if you put your data in an Excel spreadsheet, you hide it away, you lose that conversation. And that's why Cucumber doesn't allow that feature. And that's why I would strongly recommend, if you want to use Excel to store your test data, you're not writing executable specifications, you're writing regression tests. And there are lots of tools that you can do that very easily. JUnit 5, TestNG, all of these tools allow you to load up test data and drive your parameterized tests from Excel if that's what you want to do. But not with Cucumber. It's a bit of a waste of Cucumber's features. It's not what Cucumber is intended for, and you're adding a layer of complexity for no good reason. So that's my fairly rambly take on why you should not use Excel to drive test data in Cucumber. There are some caveats and some nuances, but generally speaking, don't try and replace a table in a Cucumber scenario with an Excel spreadsheet. That's not what it's for. Okay, thanks for listening.